Hi, Tom here and welcome to my new video, how to draw San Francisco in two-point perspective. The first step for this drawing is to draw a horizontal line towards the bottom of your page. Next, draw two marks for the two vanishing points on this horizontal line. Now draw a vertical line between these two vanishing points. Next, we can draw a diagonal line from the top of this vertical line to the vanishing point on the right. Now we can draw a diagonal line from the bottom of this vertical line to the same vanishing point on the right. Next, we can repeat this by drawing two more diagonal lines, but this time to the left vanishing point. This shape that we have now shows the start of the corner of our first building, which will be the Sentinel Building in San Francisco. Next, draw a vertical line to the right of our first vertical line. This will be the back of the side wall on the right. Now we can repeat this with another vertical line on the left to show the back of the left hand side of this Sentinel building. Next, we need to draw an ellipse, which is just a circle seen from a side view at the top corner of our building, as we will make this into a curved corner. Now draw a vertical line either side of this first ellipse, going down on each side. Next, we can draw a series of evenly spaced marks for the floors of the building on our original vertical line. Now draw diagonal lines to the right vanishing point from these marks, and then to the left vanishing point from these marks as well. This will make the corner of our building in two-point perspective. I think I'll add a lower part to this building at street level here. Next, I'll speed up this video a little bit as I put in more details. First, I'll draw some lines for looking up at the roof so that we can see the guttering for the top of the roof. I can then add some more ellipses at the top of the building and a dome too. And then I'll add some more ellipses for each of the floors going down to the street level of the building. Next, I'll add some windows and put in some more details too. Now once we've got all the details in place, I will add some pen work. At this stage, I think it is a good idea not to just copy the pencil lines that we have already made, but to improve them as we go over them with a pen. So at this stage, if I see something that I can correct, this is the stage to do it. Or if I see something that I want to add to my drawing, this is a good stage to do it. So don't think of the pencil lines as correct, because you might be able to improve upon them. Now all of the vertical lines should stay vertical in this drawing, of the first building at least. And the tops and the bottoms of all of the windows must go either towards the vanishing point on the left or the vanishing point on the right. I can add some fire stairs on the left of this Sentinel building and maybe some more details at the street level, like shop awnings and things like that. Once you have added all the details you want to for the first building, we can start on the second building, which will be the Transamerica Pyramid. First, for this building, we need to draw a vertical line and then two diagonals either side of this vertical line to make it into a very pointed pyramid. Next, we need to add the simple details at the top of the building, like a long, thin rectangle either side of the point. Next, we can draw the floor levels on the right hand side of this building. These are quite straightforward because they all need to go to the right vanishing point that we've already used. When you draw the floors on the left, they need to go to a new vanishing point because this building is at a different angle to the Sentinel Building, the first building that we drew. So these lines on the left will be almost horizontal with the original horizontal line at the bottom of the page. We could add some details to the base of this building. Now on the right we can add some more buildings to make a street. I will add some buildings here on the left too, but for most of these buildings that I'm now drawing, we're just using the one vanishing point on the right hand side. So all of the diagonal lines will go towards this right hand side vanishing point and the vertical lines will stay vertical. Once you have created a series of buildings, you could add a few more details, and then for my drawing I'll redraw all of these buildings now with a thick black pen. I want to give the illusion of lots of detail, and so I'll use lots of small lines and put in small windows and some detailing in the architecture too. I'll also make the windows and the base of the buildings at street level quite dark to give more drama to the image. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School, for a new how to draw video every week. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I started Circle Line Art School about 2 years ago, posting a video every week, because I wanted to encourage people to keep drawing and learning to draw new skills along the way, and I'm learning so much in the process myself. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you do subscribe to watch some of my other 200 videos on how to draw.